Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Guys, it's been a long time I came online because I've been busy with school and other things. So I just finished what I was doing this morning and I said let me come online to recite some of the surahs I know to my friends. Well, correction can come in. If there's any way I made a mistake, you can correct me. So let's go. I want to recite 3 surahs: Surah Al-Fatiha, Surah to Ikhlas, yes, Surah to Falak. I can also add Surah to Nas to it. So let's go. Luna, I'll beat you all. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir Luna. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul a'udzu birabbil falaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. Wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab. Wa min sharri nafathati fi uqad. Wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad. Surah An-Nas. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min sharri waswasikan nas, allazi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minatiji wan nas. Oh my god. Guys, I hope I tried. And all thanks goes to Amana Foundation for seeing us through the training and everything. I just want to say thanks to Amana Foundation. Bye guys.